Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my social media dashboard layout planner by Practical Paper Company using this grease themed kit from Sweet RT Designs for our monthly challenge video. So this is actually part of the Just Us group monthly challenge, and we do have one every single month. This month's theme is movies, and I thought, well, there was no other better movie that I wanted to use than Grease, because in September, backstory, in September I like to use all things that I enjoy. I like to use all fun, exciting things, and Grease is one of those movies that I just really love for some reason, and I really love Olivia Newton-John and John Travolta, and I just think it's so pretty. I love this kit. I think it's great, and I thought it would be perfect to use for this week in my planner. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you missed last week's video, then you are missing out, because last week we did a video on the puppies for my birthday, a puppies themed video. It was very fun. So if you missed out on it, you should check out the description box below, where you can find my playlist where I shared how I decorated last week's spread. So this is obviously for a vertical kit, right? This is not meant for a dashboard planner, but we do whatever we want here on this channel, and we use our stickers however we want to. We can use any sticker for any kind of spread. It does not matter to me. So I am very excited about this theme. As soon as Lisa Marie, who is our creator and instigator for the entire challenges, our YouTube collab loop groups, the Just Us group challenge, Instagram Reel tag team, all of those, she is the one who's in charge of all that. She is the mastermind. When she shared that this month's theme was movies, I instantly knew, okay, well, it's going to be in September, so let me go through my stack of movie-themed stickers that I have. And I ran across this kit, and I was like, nope, that's it. This is the kit we're going to use. I'm using this one. There's no question. We're going to do it. And yeah, that's pretty much the entire thing. Okay, so here is where I am doing, I've got all these. Oh, actually, I do need to grab my scissors because I am going to cut this. Where did they all go? I think they all fell on the floor. Anyway, so this is how I'm going to be tracking my PRs that I'm on. So I have a couple of PRs that I'm in, and I can talk about this now because I've been waiting. I am in Shine Sticker Studios PR team. Actually, at the time of me filming, I'm filming a little early because I don't want to do anything this weekend. So I film, let me just backtrack. Okay. So this week, how I do my videos, you can't even see this. I'm sure you guys were like, Megan, move down. Anyway, how I do my videos is I am off on Saturday and Sunday. So I will film all of the videos for the next week on Saturday. So on this Saturday, I'll be filming all of the videos for the week of the 16th through the 22nd. This weekend is actually the 7th and 8th, but my birthday is on the 7th, and I'm not doing anything on my birthday. So I'm actually filming it the weekend before. So there's a little insight on how I do my planners. I do film ahead of time, and I am not even ashamed of it. But that's just the way things roll, you know, the way things happen. So at the time of me filming, it is almost the 1st of September, and we've just announced our term for Shine Sticker Studio. But at the time of me uploading this video, it will already have happened. So you guys, I am literally so excited about it. Like, you have no idea how excited I was to find out that I was going to be on this team. I've been wanting to do this team for a while. but I never knew how to, like, they don't really have applications. So I thought I had applied for their team, but I didn't because it wasn't their team because they didn't have applications. It was a different team that I'd applied for and I never heard back from. And that's okay because that happens. But anyways, I was like, well, I guess, you know, like, I'll just wait for them to open up an application. And I thought they like had like specific ways that they were doing stuff. But yeah, I'm long story short, I'm just really excited about being on this team. So that's why I'm telling you guys I have 6, because if you saw my before the pen pictures of last week's spread, then you may be wondering like why I only had 5. I don't even know if I put these in there, but anyways, that's a long explanation for why I'm doing these habit trackers, but it's because of my PR teams. Wow, words are just going, things are just going great here today, you guys. I can't speak. It's gonna be a great day. Okay, now it's time to add some deco. Actually, what I'm gonna do is take that. So I do need to make sure I have boxes for the YouTube collab loop group, which goes out on Wednesday. I think I'm actually going to use this. And then the monthly challenge goes out, I think on the 15th? It does come out on the 15th. Okay. So this is going to be the monthly challenge box. This is going to be the YouTube collab loop group box. So I think I want this box to go here. And Sandy's gonna go here, and you're gonna go here. All right, and then Wednesday, like I said, YouTube collab loop group. And then this is the Jug monthly challenge. I just realized that you guys are probably like, Megan, the videos this week is already over. I'm aware. I just realized that as I was filming this video, so it's fine. Everything is great. I just forgot. So we'll just ignore that and keep going. Okay? It'll be fine. Okay, I like that better because you guys are gonna go here and put you guys here. And then I do need to make sure that I have my boxes for filming and editing. So I think we're gonna do blue for one and gray for the other. Okay. I think I also dropped my tweezers on the floor. So let's do filming here. I don't know where my tweezers went. It would be nice to have them, but I think I may have dropped them on the floor, and I don't feel like looking for them anywhere. So there's that, and I'm gonna do this list over here, and then I think I'm gonna do another box here for anything important that I need to remember. Trying to see, I don't think there's anything that says important on here. So I'll do the pink one. And that will be the title for that. Okay. And I want to grab this. We're going to put it here. So I wanted to ask you guys. I'm not going to use this. So I wanted to ask you guys if you have a favorite movie. Do you like a certain kind of movie? I think my favorite movies have to be, I would say action maybe. I do like a good action movie. But I also enjoy like a rom-com. I'm not a huge romance person either. Like I'm not a huge romance movie fan, but I do like a rom-com. But more of like the comedy portion rather than the romance portion. I'm just a very unique individual. Like I said, I'm not into the whole like romance and sappy stuff. It's just not my thing, but I do enjoy, I'm gonna put this over here. I do enjoy like it every once in a while. I actually surprised my sister by telling her that I would watch Pride and Prejudice for the first time. Her favorite one is the Keira Knightley version. So she's very excited that I'm going to watch it. She's already prepared a whole list of questions to ask me after it's over with. And I was like, okay. She is a funny one for sure. She gets very excited about that. Trying to figure out if there's any other boxes that I want to add. Oh, there is. I'm going to do, trying to figure out what color. Oh, you know what? We'll use these two. I've got to put on the two, post on Mondays and I post on Fridays, the two TikToks for Sarah Lynn Art, because I am her media manager. So that will be what those two boxes are for. I think this spread is done. This video is going to come out on Sunday. Usually I post my social media stuff on Saturdays, but because the 15th is Sunday and that's when the video comes, or that's when the challenge goes live, I want to upload it then. This is my spread for our social media for this week using the grease kit by Sweet RT Designs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you are subscribed, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, check out the description box below. There are various playlists related to each category of planning and crafting for you to browse. That is all for me. I hope you guys liked my interpretation of this Just Us Group monthly challenge. Don't forget to check out the hashtag on Instagram. You can see all of the fun stuff there. And that is it for me. Until next time, craft on. Bye guys.